Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how can you download and install Realtek HD audio driver and manager. So you can see that I don't have any audio driver. First open your browser and type your motherboard's name and then drivers. In my case it's Gigabyte H61MS. So this is the official website of Gigabyte. Open it. This is the audio driver. Click download. Wait a little. Now it's done. Open the setup. And please note that the audio driver will differ in many motherboards. So now restart. After single restart you can't see any change. But after the second you can see a reddish brown speaker logo beside the default Windows speaker logo. But if it isn't there, it will be in hidden icons on hide it. Done. This is the manager. Now you can do whatever you wanted. See you in the next video. Goodbye.